looking.
Yeah, you know, I think what we have about 47 rain days a year above a trace. So yeah, that's not very many. 300 we don't have rain days. So I guess that would be a very small amount. Let me just show you what just popped in right now. We've been talking about all that green area, and I'm not talking about the rainfall, but all the green area is a flash flood watch till 11. But when we start talking urban flooding, we talk about ponding of the roadways. We talk about thunderstorms that are just popping up right around Anthem, Seven Hills. That's a big deal. This could be an area where we could see flooding, so the potential is there, and that's why we're still on storm watch. We will be for a couple of days worth, but we have so much humidity and so much moisture in place that when thunderstorms do pop up, a lot of this will be flooding. As a matter of fact, it probably is at this point, although I haven't had confirmation of that because the storm is really almost stationary, but there's a lot of lightning with it and certainly some hail with it as well, and definitely those damaging winds. So keep that in mind. If this is a big thunderstorm over your house right now, we'll be watching it for you before it makes its way off toward the west. But most everything has been down to the south, out to the west, west of the mountains. Mount Charleston checking with about 1.5 inches. Here's what's doing for tonight. We still see a few more southern reaches of the valley, maybe northwestern portions of our county, out through Moapa Valley. Might get a little glancing blow, but here's what comes in. It takes till later on tonight before we start seeing anything interesting come in, not counting those pop-ups like we're seeing near Anthem, but maybe a glancing blow for the overnight hours. So that might be what we're watching again. You can see the skies looking very dark right now. More than just dark, they're actually cooler in a few locations. North Las Vegas, watch this, 97 degrees, but you go to Hendo, anywhere around Henderson where we're seeing some rainfall and some lightning strikes, much cooler there, and there's all that moisture. Look how juicy that air is, plenty of it. Here's the next 7 days for you. Definitely seeing the temperatures come up a little bit for the weekend. We might dry out a little bit, but I'd hate to call it dry. We know the next many days we're going to still see chances for thunderstorms across the valley. Melissa, back to you.
Okay, thanks.